I am going to show you a little pro trick though. I do not like the idea that my bulging breaking piece of cake is the bottom layer, because that's going to take the entire weight of this cake, and I do not like that idea. So I'm going to flip this cake over and make that bottom layer become the top so it doesn't have to bear any weight at all. See that? Now it's on the top, and there'll be nothing pressing down causing this cake to break any more than it already has. So I'm going to kind of stick more buttercream in there to glue that thing back together, and no one will ever know. All right, let's get this to the fridge so that the whole entire thing could firm up and be a little bit more stable, and then we're going to ice the whole thing.